Hello everybody, welcome to STEM Educational Services, where I'm your host Junior and you're watching how to make a ping pong game using Scratch. So about 10 months ago, just 4 days before my 11th birthday, we started a series on how to make a ping pong game using Scratch, as you guys may know. But we never really got to finish that series since I just don't know why. So here we want to continue it in part 3. And where we left off on this series was how to make a score. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So here we are where we left off, and where we left off was where we're making the ball and the paddle coincide with each other. So that is kind of a success. So now we're going to go straight to variables, and you're going to want to make a variable. But before we get started, I'm just going to quickly explain to you what variables are. So variables are just set of data that keep your data or where you left off on the game. There are different variables in Scratch. There's just a regular variable, and there is a cloud variable. You can only use cloud variables if you have the status of a Scratcher in Scratch. So I'm just going to use normal variables here, since cloud variables just store your data onto the Scratch cloud. So with all that out of the way, let's just create our variable. So you're going to want to name your variable score. And there are different types of ways to read out your variable. You can use a slider, which changes the values of your variable by just sliding. You can use a large readout, and you can use the normal readout of a variable. So I'm going to use the normal readout for now. You can just change the way. It doesn't really matter how you read out your variable or how you display your variable. So now we're going to go straight. All you need to do for this is you just have to take this script that you made right here. You have to go back to the variable section, and you just have to change your variable by 1. So let me just change score by 1. So I'm going to explain this script really quick. So when the green flag is clicked, forever if touching the paddle, then change the score by 1, turn 180 degrees, move 15 steps, and wait 1 second. So we're going to quickly test this script and see if it works. Perfect. So that is how it works right now, and that is how you create a score using Scratch. It is very easy, and I think it's a great way to display your score. You can obviously customize your score however you want, but that is just the normal way of how to make a score, how to set up a score. So thank you for watching this lesson. Thank you for joining me here. And in our next lesson, we are going to make a game over screen and a replay button. Bye, everybody.